How to make a Twitter account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel App Guide. I am Bimal, and in today's video I will show you how you can create or make a Twitter account very easily. So make sure to stick with me till the end. Now first, you can create a Twitter account from your web browser, but I will show you from the app. If you're on iPhone, open the Twitter app regardless of wherever you're using. If you're also on Android, you can use it instead. Now in order to also create a Twitter account, you can actually try to create it with Google ID, or if you're on iOS, you can create and link with your Apple ID. In that case, you won't have to remember all of the details. As long as you have your Google ID or your Apple ID with you, you can simply sign in with those and then continue and link your account in that way. However, let's say that you want to create an independent account. Well, that is also possible. For that, just tap on the create account button over here. And as you tap on create account, first I will just select a language. Now I personally like British English language, so I'm selecting that. And I'll just tap on the next button, but you can skip this process. But just to show you guys, I'll just tap on the next. If you want to move to the later section of this video, you can just see the timestamps in the description. Now first step is to create our account by entering our name. So just choose the name that you would like to be used on your Twitter account. So I'll just go ahead and then enter my full name over here. As I do that, you can enter your phone number or email. Now basically I will enter my phone number or email, whatever you want to use, so based on your region. So I'll just go ahead and do that as well. Now once I enter my phone number, the next step is to simply enter your date of birth. So go ahead and then enter your date of birth. Once you enter all these details, tap on next. And once you've done so, tap on the next button again. And as you do that, you can actually confirm these details over here. So as you can see, your name, your phone number and date of birth. So now tap on the sign up button. Now it says to verify your phone. So as I said earlier, you have to make sure you need access to this specific phone number because it may ask you to verify the code. So I'll tap on the OK button. I will wait until I receive the code from Twitter. In my case, it might actually auto verify. So we will simply wait. So you can see it has auto verified the code itself. It has filled it. So I'll just tap on the next button. As you tap on the next button, it will ask me to choose a password. So make sure it's 8 characters or more. Make sure to choose a strong password, but at the same time, also make sure that it is a very memorable one. Now once you've entered the password that you want to use, if you're not sure what you have typed in, you can tap on this I button over here in case that you have not entered an incorrect password that you might try to log in later on. And after you've done so, tap on the next button again. And as soon as you've done that, now we're almost complete, and you can see it says me to choose a profile picture and everything. You could just tap on the upload button and choose existing photo, or actually you could try to use some new photos if you want. I'll just select one of the random existing photos for my gallery. I can crop it if I want, and I'll tap on the apply button at the top right of the screen, and I'll also allow the permissions. Now I'll tap on the next button over here. And once you do that, you can go ahead and follow some few people, celebrities, or some kind of tweets that over here. If you want to skip all this, then you can actually just tap on skip for now, but you can also enter the username that you want to use. So just go ahead and then enter the username that you might want to use, and after you've done so, just tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen. Once you enter your username, now you tap on continue button. Allow access to your contacts if you want to, and fill in all those details accordingly. And that's all it takes to create our Twitter account. So you can choose your genres. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Subscribing to our channel means a lot for us to make more videos such as this for other people, and hopefully reach more people throughout the world. If you have got any more questions, make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.